In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stremio on a laptop. To get started, open the Stremio application on your laptop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, give the app a moment to load completely so everything appears properly and all sections are ready to use. When Stremio finishes loading, you'll land on the board page, which acts as the main home screen. This is where you can get a quick overview of what's available. Take a moment to browse the featured movies and TV shows displayed here. You'll also see trending and recommended content, which can be useful if you're not sure what to watch yet. If something catches your attention, click on any movie or TV show title to open its details page. Here, you can read the title information, synopsis, and other available details to help you decide if it's something you want to watch. If you're ready to begin, click play to start watching the selected content. During playback, you can use the playback controls to pause, resume, skip, or adjust the viewing position. If subtitles are available, you can adjust those settings as needed. You can also change audio settings if necessary, which is especially helpful if multiple audio tracks are available. Now, look to the left side of the application and locate the navigation menu. From here, click Discover to explore more content beyond what appears on the board. In the Discover section, you can browse by genre, popularity, or release date, making it easier to narrow down what you want to watch. You can also use the search bar to find a specific movie or TV show directly. When you find something interesting, open its details page from the Discover section and add it if you want to save it for later. Next, click Library from the left navigation menu. This is where your saved movies and TV shows are stored. Review your library whenever you want to see what you've added, and open any item from there when you want to continue watching. You can also click Calendar to view upcoming episodes and releases. This section is especially useful for keeping track of scheduled content related to shows you've saved. After that, click Add-ons from the navigation menu. Browse the available add-ons catalog, select an add-on you want to install, and click Install to add it to Stremio. Then return to the navigation menu and click Settings. Review the available application settings and adjust playback preferences as needed. You can also configure subtitle preferences, update notification settings if you want, and review storage and performance settings. Be sure to save any changes you make. Once that's done, return to the board and continue using Stremio. Thanks for watching.